Blast furnace cooling has a very significant role in extending the blast furnace life. And you must be knowing, as the campaign or the life of the blast furnace increases, uh, it has a intangible effect on sustainability goals also. Cost also comes into play when our campaign going to increase. Hence, today we will see how the cooling system contribute in extending the life of blast furnace. Now, as in this slide, you can see two benchmark furnaces. Data is being shared, and here we can see the performances meets reality. Here both furnaces data in the subsequent slide will also explode in order to learn that what are the benefits gains are there with the intensify blast furnace cooling with the next generation coolers. So these are not just planned, they are proof that innovative stave technology can radically extend furnace life. Their longevity sets the stage for what's possible when next gen cooling meets steel making. Now, coming to the questions why it matters. Steel industry pressure is very obvious, and that is for contributing, especially in in meeting the tremendous emission issues. And we can see that the steel industry contributes roughly 15% of global CO2 emission, and 70% of that stems from pig iron production. Blast furnaces are essential but energy hungry. That's why enhancing their efficiency and durability is crucial, not just for productivity but for decarbonization. Traditional steps are falling short, cast iron ones last only 5 to 7 years in high temperature zones. Rolled copper step, while better, face issues like deformation, weld cracking, and surface wear. These limitations increase maintenance demand and reduce campaign life. Now, as we can see that copper strips are basically a new generation, or they come up with a lot of innovation in iron making cooling revolution. So we can say that copper stave is sort of a breakthrough design. Here we can see in this slide that bent steel pipes cast into high purity copper with no plug building, and hence we can say no weak points. Its bumpy shape promote uniform cooling up, and we can say the upward ribs as uh, optimize the surface contact and temperature regulation, and with high thermal conductivity each step perform consistently under extreme heat, and this is the most confirmatory test is obtained with this copper coolers. Now coming to three critical needs. One is robust robust solution. And in this, Stave tackles the trifecta every furnace must master. And what are they? Long life and reliability, effective cooling, and thermal insulation. So we can say that it's not just durable, it's an intelligent sort of innovation. The integrated design minimizes the failure points and maximizes the heat transfer and insulates surrounding layers effectively. Now coming to the field success story, as we can see, these both furnaces VA rates are just 0.3 mm per year, projecting over 20 years of life, and other furnaces since 2015 almost zero year. So that's nearly a decade of uninterrupted operation with minimal maintenance.